Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of how to create clients inside X Invoice and then generate invoices for them. If you haven't seen my last video where I'm explained how to sign up on X Invoice, you can check it out using the link at the top right corner before continuing. Okay, alright, let's get started. Okay, so after creating an account, you will land up to this dashboard where you can see all of the insights. We'll talk about every widget in the later videos. First of all, let's go to the clients in the top right left side in the sidebar. Clients. Currently, I don't have any new clients, so I will create one. Let's try to create. Okay, here I have two options. I can create an individual client as well as an organizational client. I will create both of the clients for you just for the demos here. Okay, let's say let's create a first client, and is an individual client and his name is John Robson, right? And rest of the details are very optional. You can fill it if you have those details. If not, don't take any stress about it. Okay, we can add some email. Okay, for the moment, let's say I'll add my email over there, and there are some additional details like their LinkedIn profile, their social media profiles. If you want to add those, you can add those. Otherwise, we are good. Just click on add client, and our client is successfully added there. Okay, let's try to create another client. Now this time we will try to create an organizational client. Okay, this time it is asking me for the company name. Let's say I would like to, it's ABC company, and it is from tech industry. The contact person is Mushi. The contact email is mushi at gmail, right, or abc.com, whatever it is. We can add the contact person phone number, website, their contact details. Okay, and we can give the contact phone number, and rest of all everything is optional. If you want to leave, you can skip it out and just speed it up the process. Add client. Okay, now we have two clients. As you guys can see, we have two total clients in here, one individual and the other one is this. Okay, other thing is that's how you can easily create both of the clients. The other thing is like how we can create invoices for those both of these clients. For that we need to go to the invoices section. Currently we don't have an invoice. Let's click on create a new invoice. Okay, we have too many things here. First thing is the invoice number, which is auto generated. You don't need to, you can change it, but if you don't want to, it will automatically be generating every unique number for your invoices. Okay, we are seeing both of the clients here. Let's create for the organizational client. The issue date is always be the today's date. Then due date is always be by default 30 days later, but we can change this. Let's say I'll set the due date to Friday, right? Okay, next thing is we need to add invoice items. Let's say I have it here for the development charges, right? uh, this is the development for web app, right? And we need to provide the quantity. In that quantity could be it could be days, it could be hours, and anything. Let's say it is 4 days with the rate of 400, right? So the total will be automatically be calculated over there. If you have any tax percentage, you can apply it here. By default it will be 0. The 1% will automatically be reflecting here. If there is a discount, you wanted to give discount. The shipping charges, if you want to put any notes in here, this is dummy note, right? And the payment terms. Okay, yep, that's it. And create invoice. It will create our invoice, and our cards will automatically be start getting updated. You know. Right, so we have some action buttons here. We have some views for the invoices. We can shift to the cards. Okay, the layout will be different now, and we have the invoices. We can view the invoice, our created invoice, where we can see there are too many things, a little bit different from the create form. Here we can create the status of the invoice. Currently it's draft. We can see the status is currently unpaid. We can see how much amount is paid for that now. At the moment it's 0% paid. It's draft and unpaid. Rest of these we can review everything, and we have some other options here, like we can create a public QR code for the invoice. We can share that invoice. We can download into the PDF. We can send this invoice over the email as well, and if we want to edit it, we can just use these shortcuts for that. And also you can access these shortcuts here as well. Right, that's how you create the invoice, and for any of the client. And yeah, there are many other options available in the tool, but I don't want to make this video too much longer. I will make the videos for every single feature and every single button here. I hope this overview will make will walk through makes it easier for you to get started with the X invoice and start creating invoices over there. If you missed the sign up process, I will definitely be ask you to first look into that video, and look into how you can sign up to the X invoice and start getting the invoices. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. See you.